Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually taking to Universal Studios. Not just that, but it's actually going to a very famous land. It's called the Seuss Landing, or Dr. Seuss Land. And we're actually going to take you onto the Seuss Trolly train ride. This is a lot of fun, so sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, let's go.
Congratulations! Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. For the places you will go, there is fun to be done.
The Circus McGurk is the world's greatest show. On the face of the earth or wherever you go. Here in Ring 1, the Ocean of All is a sight most amazing for a walrus named Roll, who can stand on one whisker this wonderful roll. On top of 5 balls, 2 tennis, 3 golf. It's a marvelous trick if I say so myself. And while this wild ruckusing goes on below, at the top of the jet, the star of the show, Great Daredevil Sweelock, the world's bravest type. Great Sweelock soars up to its terrible height.
$3 each. Just pay them your money and hop right aboard.
Hop! We like to hop! We like to hop on top of hop!
Stop! You must not hop on hop.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
I do. I like them, Sam. I love these green eggs and ham. Now the star-bellied Sneetches had bellies with stars. The plain-bellied Sneetches had none upon bars. Those stars weren't so big, but really quite small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter. Because they had stars. The star-bellied Sneetches would brag.
We're the best kind of sneak on the beaches.
All the rest of the day on those wild gleaming beaches, fixing up Choppy, fixing up Sneetches. Then when every last cent of their money was spent, the fixing up Choppy packed up. And he went. And he laughed as he drove his car off the beach.
They'll never learn.
No, you can't teach a Sneetch. But McBean was quite happy to say that the Sneetches were really quite smart. David decided that Sneetches are Sneetches. And no kind of Sneetches the best on our beaches. But they're always
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.